Hello everyone, this is Natraj. I'm back with another video today. I'm more excited than even to discuss transfer between the cloud storage bucket using Terraform. In this video, I will be walk through the process step by step. I shared my best practice and I provide the tips to optimize your workflows. The usage for the bucket to bucket transfer. Here some common use I am defined here. We can see one by one. The first one is that backups and recovery. So regularly you can copy the data to another bucket for the disaster recovery and business continuity purpose. Next one is that cross-region data sharing. We can share the data securely across the geographical region for the collaboration purpose. Next one is that protections and developing environment. When we managing the production environment and developing environment in the GCP, to separate bucket for each environment can maintainly to clear boundaries, also the streamline that workflows. If you are keeping the developing environment up to date with the production data by periodically copying the data from production to developing bucket, this will help you to identifying the fixing the issues or before affecting the live environments. Storage transfer service. It is designed to move the large amount of data quickly and secure between the different storage systems. Scheduling transfer. You can schedule and automate the data transfer to eliminate the manual process. Next one is the data transfer from the various source. It supports the various cloud provider like Amazon, Azure and on-premise storage. One of my video I demonstrate that how to transfer the data between AWS and Google storage. If you are interested, please check it out. We are at the Visual Studio Code. The entire source code is available in my repository. You can clone from anytime. We can see the file one by one. The first one is that main.tf file. Data block. This data block is retrieving the Google storage transfer service account for my specific projects. This service account is used to performing that transfer operation. One thing we have to keep it in note. This service account is created by themselves once you are enabling the API for the storage transfer service. Next resource is that Google Storage Bucket IAM member. This block is assigning that storage.admin role to my service account for my both source and destination of GCS bucket. This role is allow the service account to managing the storage operation in this bucket. Next resource is that Google Storage Transfer Job. This resource transfer the data from my source GCS bucket to the destination GCS bucket. The key component for the transfer specifications. This is the source of my GCS bucket. Next one is that this is the destinations of my GCS bucket. Next block is the transfer option. Deleting object from my source after the transfer equal to false, which means that I'm not deleting the object from the source after the transfer. Next parameter is that override the object already existing in the sink equal to true, which means that I'm overwriting the existing operation in the destinations. Next one is a scheduler block. So the first one is the starting the date. I'm Jan 30th 2025 I'm starting. End date is December 21 2025 I defined. The starting time of that day. This is the daily start of the time for my transfer jobs. So hour equal to 0, which is representing as the job will be start midnight 12 AM. Minutes it will be there, the job will be start after the 5 minutes 12 0.5 AM. Next parameter is the seconds and a nano. The job will be started after the exactly 5 minutes the past midnight. Next one is the depend on. It is depend on that IAM member resource, then only it will be executing this storage resources. Moving to the provider.tf file. So this file is configuring for the Google Cloud Provider for my Terraform. Here I am defining my Terraform credential JSON file. It be this specific service account I am providing the admin role. So based on my demo purpose, I am choosing with region zones. According to your application, it can be differ. Then I am moving to the variable.tf file. This file I am defining the variable config, which is an object containing. Also I provide the default values for these variables. So before executing the Terraform code, I can log into in the GCP console to validate my source and bucket is existing or not. So right now at my GCP console I choosing with my appropriate projects. This is my source bucket, this is my destination bucket. Just I'm moving to my source bucket right now. So already a couple of files are uploaded. Now I'm going to my destination bucket. Here destination bucket is empty. Okay, now I'm moving to my Visual Studio Code and executing the Terraform commands. So I'm going to click on three dot, terminal, new terminal. Just I'm elaborating the screen here. Now I'm going to executing the Terraform init command. So all the plugin is initialized. Now I'm going to executing with the Terraform clamp command to validate my syntax and that calling method. Yeah, you can see the plan details. The 3 resources is going to add, 0 changes, 0 destroyed. Now I'm going to executing with the Terraform apply command. So I'm providing the user input is yes. My Terraform operation is successfully completed. I'm moving to that storage transfer resources page. So you can see here, whichever I'm executed, the job is created right now. It will be showing as a scheduled states. So this job will be executing on midnight only. I'm going to click on the job ID. Yeah, you can see here the start at the run. I'm going to click on this option. So now the job is running now. You can see the operation in progress in the status itself. Yeah, you can see here the job information also, the source and destination also here will be defined. Now I'm clicking the transfer jobs. You can see the status is my last operation is success. Now I'm moving to that my destination bucket. Just I'm refreshing the page. You can see here the data is whichever is present in the source, it will be available on my destinations also. That's all. I hope this video will be useful to everyone. Please stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe for the more information into the content.